Hi, I'm Bob Davidson, live in St. Catharines, Ontario. When we bought the house, the windows were the weak spot. They were drafty, they were rusty, and we actually put a deposit down on an option that was a little bit less expensive and immediately regretted that. We managed to get out of that deal and come back to Magic, and it was a great move. What really impressed us is we were able to work with Magic and get exactly the look and the vibe that we were looking for. Even the contractors that did the installation, they were quick, they were tidy. From the sales to the aftermarket service has been just fantastic. Probably the day after they were installed, we realized that we had made the right decision. I believe it was 2 doors, the window wall, and about 8 windows. We could have saved a little bit of money and not gone for the window wall. Worth every penny. Yeah, everybody comments on the windows, especially the window wall. They just love that. That's a real feature. Everything's great. They're so easy to clean, the way they open. We weren't surprised, but we have saved a lot of money in heating and cooling. And I suppose one of the biggest surprises was we live in a busy street, and it has really reduced the street noise inside the house. Right from our introduction at that trade show in Toronto to the planning and the design to the aftermarket, it's all been just a great experience. Yes, I would recommend them to family and friends, definitely.